Hey planner friends, so we have a few items that are currently released on my website right now, and you definitely want to check it out. So the first item that some of you have been asking about is the sticker binder individual sleeves. They are now available for pre-order. We're no longer selling as a bundle as those were a special discount at the time for those who purchased it the first time. But if you miss out, don't worry, you can still pre-order your binder, but you just have to individually add the items that you wanted. For instance, the sticker binder, the quarter sleeve, half sleeve, full sleeve, and so on. And there's a bunch of pictures below to show you an example how it fits. But if you're still not sure, you're welcome to, message me if you're wondering how those sheet works. The next two designs that are currently released on my website are the new Lunar New Year Snake Celebration Kit, and it fits in Hobonichi weeks and journals that are larger, that's approximately size 1.5 inch width. And I know New Year is coming up very soon, like January 29, I believe. It's like in a couple of weeks, but if you order now, you should be able to receive it by the time it comes. If not, it's okay. I mean, it's snake year, it's the entire year anyway, so it doesn't have to be specifically that day. So you can actually use that kit whenever you like. So if you want to use it in March, you can if you like. So there's no like restriction in terms like when you can use a kit. If I want to use my Christmas kit in January, I can, or if I want to use it in February, March, April, whenever, I can. It's totally up to you. It's your kit, and I mean, it's your planner, and you can use it however you like. But yeah, I'm excited how it turned out. So this is what it looks like. I know it's kind of small on the screen, but you can see it's, I to me, when I design the kits, I don't want to be too much stickers as I feel like it's kind of overwhelming. But this, like, even the base and the add-on is already a lot of stickers that you can use for the whole like Hobonichi weeks. But yeah, you can definitely save the stickers for another time too. Like oftentimes when you have a leftover sticker, you can reuse it for another day as well. So it's not limited to that 1 week. And next for this mini kit, it does come with 4 sheets. It's called full mini kit. So I'll show you what it comes with. So all 4 sheets like this one, and then here is page 1, which is design 1, which is you get the full 4 decorative full box sticker, and then we have these functional checklist boxes plus the weekly tracker sticker that you can check off, like if you are taking medication or tracking your water hydration that you need to take every day, you can check them off on this weekly tracker, which is really useful. Here's the next page. We have this one. It's actually pretty cute. We have the header page, which is like you have these like decorative header sticker that you use for up to 6 days. I just chose 6 days because when you add the weekend, it's kind of like takes up one few of the spaces, so that's why it's 6 of these header, and then these like headers like to-dos, this week, and so on. And then the last sheet, which is a fourth sheet, it has like decorative stickers like Mimi, and then weekend and more boxes sticker if you like to track your events or appointments. And that is pretty much it. Like, to be honest, for the Hobonichi weeks, my price has been very consistent and haven't changed at all, like for many, many years. And you can imagine that, over the years, the prices go up in terms of material and like just anything in general. Things have gone up, but my sticker sheets has been very consistent, the same, even though like things are going up. But I just want to keep it affordable for you guys. And so yeah, like even if you get the whole thing, it's only $4, and so that's not bad for, you get a lot more out of just 1 week. You can reuse some, you can use the extra stickers for another week. So I think that's like so worth it. But if you don't want the add-on, which this is like super extra, so you don't have to get the add-on, but if you do, then it or if you want to buy separately, you can buy just this, and that's just $1. But if you want to buy the base, it's like I think it's, how much is it? I think, yeah, $3.50, so it's not too bad actually. Yeah, thanks so much for your support. I hope this helps to kind of give you a walkthrough of what kind of release I have made and uploaded on the website. I'm really excited. They're so cute. But I will be soon be doing a plan with me using these stickers to show you how it works. I no longer have like a planner that has a box that's about 1.5-inch width, but I can definitely use that in my Kindle planner as it is kind of bigger planner, but it's still over I guess the width of the boxes, the vertical boxes might not fit. So I don't know, I'll still use it. I'll just show you how it works. I'm so excited. But yeah, I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I know it is kind of late in terms of releasing this, but like I said, you can use it however you like, whenever you like. I don't think there's like a set rule just because the event kind of end that you can't use it. But I feel like if you feel like that day is that special day, you should use it if you like. So I don't think there's rules at all. So I know sometimes you want to keep up with the events and time it well, which is totally fine, which is understandable. But for me, I feel like Lunar New Year is Snake Year celebration. It's like the entire year, and next year will be another zodiac. But yeah, anyways, I hope you have an amazing weekend and coming up days, and I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.